I, on behalf of Gujarat Student Startup and Innovation Hub, iHub, welcome you to this special session of launching of Startup Engage flagship program. Today we have a very special occasion in which a unique program is being unveiled at the hands of the best of the people in the state government and allied ecosystem who are trying to help startups at their doorsteps.
Campaigns towards a more focused approach of mentoring the startups on a one-to-one basis and also to add value to their journey and connect them to the mentors, resource persons, markets and other institutions. That is what we are going to do on the Startup Engage program. So mentorship is a very, very important aspect, and that is a very focused effort where the mentor and the mentee have a sustained relationship of engagement to help the startup in realizing the potential. We all know that from design, from idea to design to POC to market, there are a lot of steps involved and the dynamics are very, very challenging to the young startups. Since iHub is focused on student startups and they are very young people who needs a lot of guidance in very, very different areas, this mentor Startup Engage program is going to provide that gap, critical gap.
Most important thing that we have observed on this paper today is that the institutionalization of the flagship programs. The first thing that is very important, like a normal human being, because everybody that they are now come across with the childhood status as they'll come young and they'll come mature and all these things. The way that the SSIP team that they have developed and they have nurtured whole of these stages, that is the startup window, Samaj, Gunj, Bloom, Prasansa, Sathi, Saksham, Manas, Clinic, Samrat, Grow and Mart. So all these stages that are very important for just conceiving these startups and just bringing up to the business level, bringing up to the market level. That is the very important part and parcel of all the startups.
It's indeed a pleasure to be here on Startup Engage launching program. Since last 5 years, people are talking about startup and stand-up India. Each and every one of us is having some novelty in our brains. We want to execute it to some type of a prototype and ultimately a product. But when it comes to the facilitation, students always have questions in their mind. What I would encourage that if you have some novel ideas in your mind, doesn't mean that it can be converted into a product, because it has to go through a long process of verification, updation, refinement, and to the international market.
From today, we are starting this Startup Engage intervention, which is primarily aimed at mentoring and resolving the issues of the startups that are there in the state and that require help from the iHub for carrying out their activities further and making the entire startup of theirs a huge success. To give you some examples, I'll tell you, like in the COVID times, there were issues like people getting our startups coming up with innovative products and not getting access to the raw material, to the markets, to the machinery. And I must say that Mr. Nirala and all my colleagues all over the state who are functioning as district collectors all over in various districts, they extended a helping hand to us by just sending one message. They ensured that proactively they contacted the people and helped them in trying to achieve their task. Not only that, especially Mr. Nirala has engaged a large number of startups in fighting COVID-19 and given personal help to all of them, and I think partly because of his involvement, or I must say ownership of SSIP, because he's been critically associated with the SSIP program during the critical phase or during the critical initial years.
Thank you everybody for joining us today. Thank you, sir.